In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make cupcake size Oreo cheesecake tarts. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney, and out of all the dessert recipes that I make, this is hands down in the top 5 most requested favorite recipes of all the stuff that I've made. These are individual size New York style Oreo cheesecakes, and they are so easy to make. The recipe can be found on my website, cheferinskitchen.com. I'll post the link below. Or you can get the cheesecake cookbook that I wrote. In this cookbook, there is an entire chapter dedicated to cheesecake tarts. One of the things I love about making cheesecake tarts like this is that you can make a variety of flavors. There are 15 different flavors in this particular chapter, but you could take any cheesecake recipe and convert it into these individual sized tarts. They're wonderful. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, because there are gonna be a lot more videos coming. Let's do this.
Starting out with our cheesecake filling, we're gonna combine 2 blocks of softened cream cheese and 1 cup powdered sugar. Using an electric mixer, beat at medium speed until it's well combined and smooth. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1 whole egg. Then we're gonna mix again until well combined. Add 1/3 cup heavy cream and mix again. Add our chunks of Oreo cookies. Give that a good stir. In a lined muffin pan, place 1 Oreo cookie in the bottom of each liner. I love using these cookie scoops to evenly distribute the cheesecake batter in between each cavity. You don't have to use one if you don't have one, so don't worry if you don't. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Aren't those cute? See how they puffed up and they've got some little cracks? Don't worry about those cracks because they are going to settle in as the cheesecake set in the refrigerator. After these little cuties have been chilling in the fridge for a little while, you want to remove them from the pan. And this process is much easier to do when they are cold.
They are perfect for any type of party or gathering or people that just want to eat, especially something sweet. And cheesecake, oh my gosh. And I also love to make these ahead of time because if you make them ahead of time, you can store them in your freezer for up to 1 month. Just pull them out the day before to thaw in the refrigerator and they are ready to go.
While our cheesecake tarts are chilling in the fridge, we are going to make the icing to go on top. Combine cream cheese, Oreo cookie crumbs, and beat with an electric mixer just until they're combined. Now we're going to add in our frozen whipped topping that has thawed completely and mix again. You can keep it simple by just topping these cheesecakes with whipped cream, but I love the combination of this icing with the Oreo crumbs and the cream cheese. It gives it a really good extra kick to it. This would also make a really good fruit or cookie dip. Scoop the icing into a pastry bag, and here I'm using a cake decorating tip 1A. Pipe that on top of each tart. Optional drizzle here is chocolate syrup or chocolate ganache is what I'm using today. If you're making chocolate ganache, make sure you get all the lumps out before putting into a squeeze bottle, like right here. Watch, there's a lump. Ooh, oops. Whoopsies. That one has a lot of chocolate. Don't worry, I'll find something to do with it. Final touch here is to add another mini Oreo on top. You know, because it didn't already have enough.
Well, it's that time. I guess I'm gonna take one for the team by trying this out and make sure it doesn't taste too terrible. I did take the one that splooged chocolate everywhere, you know, because that's just not pretty enough to serve. So again, I'm doing y'all a favor here. You can eat this with a fork, but I like to eat it as a cupcake because that's what it looks like. I'm starting to wonder if I should get some taste testers to come in here and try this stuff while I make it. What do you think? Oh, look at that. There is entire Oreo at the bottom. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. No wonder these are the most popular. Oh my God. If I ever wonder if I should or shouldn't put more chocolate on top, the answer is yes. The answer is always yes. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, look. There's another Oreo. Oh my gosh. That'd be a great cookie dip. Look at that. Mmm. I was just gonna take one bite. That never seems to work out though. I'm here for you. You're welcome. That wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.